Hello, world. My name is Darren Martineau, and I'm the creator of Team Freedom. And we're going to talk about in this video what is Team Freedom. Okay, Team Freedom is it's a marketing training, and we give you free marketing training, and we teach you how to earn passive income with high demand products. We don't change buyer habits. Um, we have many programs. One of them is called Nexus Rewards, and the average person can save over $5,000 a year. That's right. It's really incredible. So if you want to learn how to make money and save money at the same time, you got to check out this program. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to talk about marketing, and you're on this video because you're trying to find out, how can I make money online? You're looking at all these different programs, and I get it. The first thing you want to do is change your mindset. And I'm going to show you how to change your mindset. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you this book that I'm reading, and I'm going to talk about this book in another video. But the first thing you need to do is you need to get The Fearless Mind. Okay, so this is by Craig Manning. Okay, Dr. Craig Manning, and this is an incredible book. It's called The Fearless Mind, and this is a book that I'm reading. And this, you need to have high performance, okay, mindset. So the first thing you need to do is get all rid of the stinking thinking, okay? Now we're going to talk about what marketers do, okay? What is a day in the life of a marketer, okay? Well, we're going to make videos like this. We're going to teach you how to do that. I also use a lot of different traffic systems. I use something called the M3 Inner Circle, the Traffic Zipper. Um, for email marketing, that's going to be your first thing, okay? We use SendShark, okay? It gives 50% commissions, and you can double your commissions, and there's all these different things. So if you'd like to get a free training, okay, click on the link and join my system now, Team Freedom. And the easy commission funnel is one of them, but I have many others. So when you click on the link, it's going to take you through my system. I have many systems in place. And what the easy commission funnel is it's a free marketing training, and it's going to show you a lot of these programs that I'm talking about. The first one is SendShark, and SendShark is really incredible. Okay, it's an email autoresponder system and much more. Okay, now the next thing you're going to want to learn how to do is you're going to want to learn how to do incredible marketing strategies, and I'm just going to give you some generic examples. So someone's on their phone or wherever, they're watching a YouTube video like this one or whatever, an ad pops up and it's McDonald's, and they can go get a 99-cent hamburger or cheeseburger. They go to McDonald's. Next thing you know it, they're supersized and they're spending like from $7 to $10 when they thought they were spending 99 cents. This is an incredible marketing strategy, okay? And it's called the upsell. You'll see it on Amazon and everything like this. Now, see, people, they buy the whole, they don't buy the drill, okay? So they're after, you want to provide massive value first. There's the old saying, if you help enough people get what they want, you will get what you want, from Napoleon Hill, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about some of my favorite programs, okay? The first one is the easy commission funnel, okay? And what it does is it's a complete system, okay? There's 7 steps, and the videos will show you how to set up each one, okay? First one is SendShark, then it's going to take you through all the different systems, and there's one, for example, where you can get, and you don't have to buy anything at first, and you can get 30% commission off of a system, and you can get, it's a high ticket, it's a high ticket marketing educational program. It's in there, and you can get $750 commission even if you haven't bought anything. Okay, that's how incredible this is. So you can have someone come in, and this is what we call a product ladder, okay, in your marketing funnel. Because if you have something for free, right, all the way up to something for $10,000, what happens is sometimes you may want to have them join the high ticket program first, or sometimes you want to have them join the free, depending on how you're setting up. There's many different ways, but this is an incredible marketing strategy, okay? And it's called a product ladder, okay? Our marketing funnel. And so when you join, okay, when you put in your email, I'm going to have you join my Facebook group, okay? And in my Facebook group, I'm going to give you several bonuses I'm putting in there. I'm putting in videos like these. I'm putting in ebooks. You're going to get the Team Freedom Affiliate Marketing Fast Start Guide. You're going to get 88 traffic methods. You're going to get search engine optimization books. You're going to get all kinds of incredible videos. I show you how to create passive income. So whether you are a person looking to work from home, whether you are an author or looking to be an author, like I am, an author of over 100 books, you want to make money with your books on Amazon. I get passive income from Amazon, KDP. That's one of my income streams. But no matter what you're doing, right, we show you how to set up everything, okay, in your marketing. I mean, everything from the email marketing, okay, the video marketing, the traffic strategies, all the different elements. So to just throw everything out there, that's you want to start with one, okay? And this is the first one, the basic. Okay, this is the Team Freedom, what we're going to show you how to do. We have many systems in there. So we have another one. We have many, they're recurring. That's another thing, is the recurring, okay? So you don't have to start from scratch. So I'm not making any income claims here. I'm not promising you're going to make 1 penny, $1, or $1,000,000, okay? Because I have to be responsible here. But if you show up, you work hard, you work smart, and you're diligent, you'll maximize your results. So click on the link, put in your email, and you will get free access to the Team Freedom system. Thank you very much. Have a great day.